Arrive in style with this 2007 Ford Shelby GT500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are air conditioning, bucket seats, rear spoiler, power lumbar driver seat, adjustable headrests, EBD Electronic Brake Dist, and fog lamps. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.